Welcome to this video. It's my second video in English, so I hope you like it. My intention with those videos in English are two things. First, I want to practice my English. I have been learning for about 3 years, and I think it's time to show my knowledge. And second, I want to reach as many people around the world as possible. If you really want to learn Inventor, you should watch this video till the end. Go for it. First, click on Start Sketch 2D and then click on a plane. You have 3 options. I choose XC. Now I draw 2 circles on the origin point. Activate dimension and write the values. It's up to you which one to play first. Okay, finish the sketch. Nice, click on extrude and I should select the profile. You can see the green zone, that is my profile. Change this number and click on OK. Again, click on Start Sketch 2D and touch this face. I'll use this tool, construction line, because I can draw non-real geometries that were like reference. Now draw a circle on the origin point and write the value with dimension. Deactivate construction line and activate point and place it on the construction circle on the y-axis. Okay, it is here. Okay, but I need 6 points around the circle, and for this I'll use the tool circular. Initially I tap the point and then select axis option, that in this case is the origin point. It isn't necessary to change the number because is 6-2. Click on OK and finish sketch. Now activate hole tool and automatically the software starts the operation with the sketch drawn. I activate the thread and seal type none. Seal type none. I choose metric NC, size 3, and 7.2 because it threw all piece, and click on OK. Again, click on Start Sketch 2D and select this face. I need line construction again and draw 2 lines. Use dimension For establish the angle between the lines, 11.25. Okay, I'll draw a circle and its dimension is 64. Then deactivate construction line and draw a circle in the intersection between the line and circle. And its dimension is 10 millimeters. One more time, we activate circular and the same. Touch the circle, activate axis and touch the origin point and change 6 for 12 and click on OK. Finish sketch, click on extrude, select all circles. Change the direction and change the value. And click on OK. So use the chamfer 0.5 in this edge. Okay, and right. Okay, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you for your support and see you in the next video, and see you.